babae pa yan.
This number of 6 means 1,000 plus 200.
Dito ka na, May. Hoy.
Plus 3. 1,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 3 equals 1,223. Now, let's discuss our topic for today about place value and value. What is place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number. Each digit in a number has a place value. It also helps you determine the value of a digit in a number. For example, 15,243. In identifying the place value, the lowest place value started from the right digit going to the left digit, which is the highest place value. Each place value has a bar mark. Let's identify the place value and the value of the given 5-digit number, 15,243. You can also use a chart to identify the place value of a given number. The first column from the right is ones. Next to ones is next to tens is hundreds. Next to hundreds is thousands. Next to thousands is 10,000. The place value of 3 is 1. The place value of 4 is tens. The place value of 2 is hundreds. The place value of 5 is thousands. And the place value of 1 is 10,000.
Αυτό να ξέρεις ισχύει κάθε Σαββατοκύριακο αν πας να τη δει αν δεν πρέπει να το
The value of 3 is 3. Because the value of 3 is in the ones place. Ones have only one digit. 4 has a value of 40. Because it's placed in the tens place. Tens has 2 digits. The value of 2 is 200. Because it's placed in the hundreds place. Hundreds has 3 digits.
Wala nga sirangan. Gagawin mo. O, tara na. Mamaya na. Huwag tayo pa may payanap tayo. Ito pala yun. Yun. Gusto mo yan, oh. Dali lang yan, oh. Pa-islant.